I'm Michael, a landscape designer. Here with Jalissa, we're going to be installing the stone edging that you picked up from Lowe's. And it's a great solution for patios, walkways, and garden beds because it's long-lasting and it's little to no maintenance. We'll start by marking the area for the trench using landscape paint as a guideline. Next, use a flat spade and dig a trench in the area that you marked. It should be 2 to 3 inches deep, depending on those stones you picked out. Be sure to keep the loose earth nearby so you can use it to fill in around the edging stones once you place them. Use a hand hoe to clear out any stray pieces. Now, add some leveling sand to the trench, and then compact it down with a tamper. Carefully position the stones in the trench and use a carpenter's level to check that everything's aligned. Just add sand as needed, and use a mallet to help level the stones. Fill in any open spaces with that loose earth to secure the edging stones. Pull the mulch up to the edging, or add more for a clean, finished look. Wow, Jalissa, the edging looks amazing. You did a great job.
And it makes my whole yard look so much better.
It looks great. You should be really proud. For stone edging options and everything else needed to indulge your creativity, visit your local Lowe's or Lowes.com.